Good morning. Good morning.
How are you all?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Yes, fine.
I am fine. Bolo, I am fine.
Thank you. Fine. Thank you.
Bolo, bolo.
Very good. Well done. So, very good. So let's start with good morning song now, okay? Let's start with good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, everybody. And how do you? One more time. Good morning,
जल्दी करो.
good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, everybody. And how do you do? Very good. Clap for yourself. Very good. Well done. Okay. Very good. So I received all the pictures of all the pictures that you guys clicked for the coronavirus fighters and warriors. So I have received pictures from everyone except Shresht. So Shresht parents, if you can hear me, kindly send the picture of Shresht with the words. Okay, because we want to finish it by today. So if you could please send the picture of Shresh holding the banner or the word. Okay, all right. So can everyone hear me properly?
देखो मैम क्या कह रही है देखो थम्स अप दिखाओ मैम को थम्स अप दिखाओ
Thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up. Yes. Okay, that's good. All right. So first of all, let's start with the elephant rhyme that we learned last time. Okay, let's start with the elephant rhyme that we learned last time. Okay, so that rhyme is from the phonic book. It's from the phonic book. As you guys can see from here, it's from the number 11. 11 rhymes book. If you have your rhyme,
speak properly
to it, okay, and then kindly tell your mommy and daddy to teach you this rhyme, okay? Kindly very simple. So we will all learn this rhyme, okay? It's like this. An elephant is big and fat. Everybody do it. An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride. Very good. One more time. An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride. You guys understood? Everybody is doing well? Yes? Shall we do it one more time? One more time, everyone? Okay, listen to me very well. Okay, we'll do it one more time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride. Very good. Very good. Clap for yourself. No? Okay, that's all right. So parents, this rhyme is on the, it is inside the rhyme book of page number 11. Make sure that they learn this rhyme, okay? This is a very short rhyme and the children will learn it quickly as well. If you want the recorded version of it, I can send it to you through WhatsApp, okay? All right. So now, how about, let's do, how many of you like fruits? Fruits किस किस को पसंद है? How many of you like fruits?
देखो मैम
Yes. Fruits. Yes.
You like
Are you
fruits?
eating fruits in the summer?
Yeah.
No. Yes. Okay. You tell me what is this? क्या बनाया? What is this? What is this? ये क्या है? Yes, say it loudly.
मैम को
Watermelon. Very good. Very good. This is a watermelon. Ma'am had made this watermelon and you also make it at home. Okay, this is very simple. Ma'am will send you the link in the and then you can see it and do it at home. Okay, so today we are going to learn about fruits. Okay, all right, children. So parents, make sure that this the children learns about.
Okay.
All right. So if you have the book with yourself, we will go to the phonic book, and on the page number 31, page number 31 of the phonic book. Page number 31 of the phonic book. Very good, Adu. Okay, everybody has it. Very good. That's good. Adu has it. Yes, also has it. So we will go through this. We'll go through this page. Okay. What is this? Which fruit is this?
This is, what is this? Speak out. Mango.
This mango. Very good. Very good. Which fruit is this?
This
क्यों ये
which
कौन सा
fruit
fruit है?
yeah.
Banana.
हेलो शीशा बंद करके
Which fruit is this? Which fruit is this?
Or speak loudly.
मैम को बताओ ये कौन सा fruit है?
Apple. Very good. Apple. Which fruit is this? Which fruit is this?
वहाँ बताओ
Well done. Well done. Which fruit is this? Yes, Siddharth?
और बोलो 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 और
Speak loudly.
Orange. Very good. And which fruit is this?
And which fruit is it?
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Very good. Pineapple.
And the pineapple.
You know all the fruits name. That's very good. Okay. Parents, if you have the book, make sure to put the date of today here. Okay. Just put it here. And also the previous ones that we have already done, like wild animals and farm animals, and also the elephant rhyme. Make sure to keep on putting dates on that. Okay. If you have the book, you can keep on putting dates on that. Okay. So fruits, you guys know all the fruits. Is it? That's very good. Very good. Now, since you have already done the fruits, let's go to the phonics. Okay? Go to the phonics. Go to phonics. Let's go to the phonics sound.
Phonics song.
मैम क्या कह रही है सुन लो
Okay. Parents, you can show your children the phonic book. You can show your children the phonic
Aru, come here.
the phonic book like this.
बताओ
Then, okay, and then sing together with me. Okay.
साथ साथ बोलना
1, 2, 3, 4. A is for apple. Apple. Ball. C is for cat. 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 Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. Is for fish. Horse. I is for igloo. For dog. Kite. Kite. L is for and monkey. N is for nest. Orange. R is for rabbit. Rabbit is for
Tiger.
tiger. T is for tiger. U is tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for bag. Bag. W is for watch. Watch. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yak. Yay! Everybody give a clap. Well done. Well done. Okay.
Yeah.
Phonic sound is very important. Make sure that children learn phonic sound at home regularly. Okay. Phonic sound is very much important. Make sure that the children learn phonic sound. Okay. Now we will go to swar. Now we will go to swar. Do you guys have Hindi swar book? Yes? Hindi Varmala book? Do you have it, Hindi Varmala book? Yes? Now we will go to Hindi Varmala, okay?
Then
All right.
yes.
Let's go. 1, 2, follow with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, start. A से अनार, आ से आम, होते हैं सब मिलकर काम. ई से इमली, ई से ईख, अच्छी अच्छी बातें सीख. ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊंट, एक एक कर भर लो घूट. ए से एड़ी, ऐसे ऐना, भाग रहे दुश्मन के सेना. ओ से ओखली, ओ से ओखली, औ से औजार, फले फूले सारा संसार. अंग से अंगूर, आह से खाली, उतना खाओ जितनी थाली. हा 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 हा. Very good, children. Thank you for listening to me very patiently. Okay, so parents, this swar recognition and oral of swar is also very important in playgroup. So kindly, when the children are at home, make sure to teach them swar as well. Usually, everybody focuses on English, but then make sure to focus on also focus on Hindi swar. Okay. Oh wow, we have something here. Adya has made something. What is that, Adya? Wow, it's a sheep. Wow, very nice. Elephant and sheep. That's good. That's good. Very nice. Good work. Good work. Ma'am will score you if you will put that in Google Classroom. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now we will also go to counting. Okay. Parents, don't just teach the children to say the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's not how you do. Make them count. All right. If there are 10 pens with you, make them to count 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, that's how they will start learning counting. Okay, just teaching them 0, 1 is not enough. Make sure that they count so that they can learn about the numbers. Okay, so in play group from 0 to 10 are the numbers that they have to focus on. At the end of the year, they need to be thorough with the numbers from 0 to 10. Help them to learn the concept from 0 to 10. Okay, so all right, let's sing the song One to Buckle My Shoe. One, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the stick. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat head. One, two, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, big fat head. Very good, children. So patient and good and listen to me. That's very good. Okay, so now I would like to tell the parents about the notebook work. Okay, about the notebook work. So we have already. So last time I told you to do free scribbling of red color and green color, right? Free scribble of red color and green color. This time, do the free scribbling of yellow color. Again, date here, classwork here, okay, and free hand scribble with yellow color. Okay, this is free hand scribble with yellow color, and then another one is free hand scribble with okay. Okay. First we did red and green. Now I want the children to do yellow. Okay, free hand scribble of yellow and blue color. Okay, make sure to put on the date and the question here and the work of the children here. Okay. Also keep this page. Use this part. Okay. Don't teach the children how to do it. Let them do whatever they want on the blank page. Okay. So these are the 4 blank colors that I want the children to do it for free scribble. Okay. So once they are done with the free scribble, I want them to go on and do shapes. Okay. So once you are done with the free scribbling, let me know, and then in the next class I will teach you about the shapes. Okay. I will give the homework of shapes. Okay. So parents, also let me tell you that tomorrow is going to be the last online class, and after that the children are going to have a vacation. Even though they are already in a vacation now, but still we are giving the children the summer vacation, in which we won't be coming online like this, but they are going to have offline. They are have holiday homework. So we are going to give them homeworks, according to weekly basis or daily basis. So you will get that soon. Make sure that they are doing the holiday homeworks properly as well. If you have any question, let us know. And then, as you know, that the holiday homework that you will give, we are going to judge it, and we will also remark it that who has done the best. Okay. So please know that tomorrow is the last day for our online class. Okay, and also kindly be ready for the holiday homework that is going to come to you soon through WhatsApp. So tomorrow's class, press the same link that you have, pressed today. Okay, the Zoom link. Kindly press the same link that you have pressed today. Right. So Vyansha's mother, I would like to have a talk with Vyansh mother. Vyansh mother, if you could unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Hi.
ma'am. Actually, the thing is, you have sent the homework of, classwork of Vyansh in the public post. But kindly put it in your classwork post, okay? Just let me see how you're doing. Even I have no idea how the parents are doing it because I'm doing from the teacher's side. So let me also go through it. And then if I can, I will share you the post of using the classwork, page, okay? So if you put it on the page, I'll score a VR. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. And also other parents, if you please put the homeworks in Google Classroom instead of sending through the WhatsApp. Okay. And also I have received a message from Shireen's mom saying that there are few tasks that we get through WhatsApp and not from Google Classroom, right? So I would like to tell all the parents that those are the tasks that we give to overall children, like all the schools, all the schools children. So those are the tasks you can through WhatsApp. But the assignments that I've given on Google Classroom, kindly send those only from Google Classroom. Okay. Rest of the videos or rest of the tasks you can send through WhatsApp. Okay, so I think that's about it. Is there anything that the parents want to ask? Since today and tomorrow is the last day, is there anything that the parents want to ask about the assignment or Google Classroom videos or anything? Parents? Okay, I think I want to appreciate all the parents and the students for putting so much effort and the collaboration, the picture collaboration we have asked the children to do. That has also come very nicely, and we will be sending to you, shortly. And then yes, great effort by both the parents and students. I would be meeting you tomorrow for the last class. Kindly be prepared for it. Okay? And if you have books with yourself and the blank notebooks with yourself, and also you can bring if fruits, toys, or anything with yourself, you can also bring those. Okay, you can also bring the toys and anything if you have. All right. Okay. So let's do the rhyme one more time. An elephant rhyme.
Ma'am.
Okay. An elephant rhyme. We'll do it one more time. Also, the parents can look it so that they can teach the same to the children. It is on the rhyme book, page number 11. Rhymes book, page number 11. Page number 11. Okay. The rhymes book that we have here. On the page number 11. Let's learn this rhyme one more time. Take the book. Okay, let's go. The title is an elephant. Okay, we are going to learn the rhyme of an elephant. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ma'am, kita
Out this way and that. And gives us all a jolly good ride. One more time. An elephant is big and fat, She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride. Very good, well done. Now we'll do one more Hindi rhyme, okay? Hindi rhyme. हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले, हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले, मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना, मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना, आप बैठो कुर्सी पर, कुर्सी बोले चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर. Very good. Well done, everyone. You guys have all been so patient and so sweet and so good. Okay, so I'll see you all tomorrow. Just know that tomorrow is the last class. Okay, tomorrow is the last class before summer vacation. After that, I would be meeting you through Google Classroom and everything. But also, I would there with you. I would be there with you to help in your holiday home. And you can just let me know. All right? Come back. The children for coming.
Bye.
Say the magical word. Thank you. Say the magical word.
Thank you, ma'am.
Say the magical word. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shirin. Thank you, Viansh. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.